Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are in the real estate business and looking for a way to streamline your workflows, manage leads, and track transactions, this website, the Clickup, is the perfect tool for you. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use Clickup for real estate so you can stay organized and close more deals efficiently. So this real estate, guys, it is a fast-paced industry where organization and time management is very crucial. So many agents struggle with tracking leads, managing multiple listings, coordinating with clients, and handling paperwork. So if you ever felt overwhelmed by endless emails, scheduling conflicts, or disorganized property details, then this website can be your game changer. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to set up ClickUp for real estate transactions, manage leads effectively, track your listings, and pending deals. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is, before we get into the setup, here's the first pro tip. Keep your website organized from the start. So naming conventions and categorizations are crucial. So make sure each client, listing, and transaction has a proper label and consistent format so you can quickly find what you need. So here in setting up ClickUp for real estate, first things first is let's set up ClickUp for real estate. So if you haven't already created an account at clickup.com, so you just need to register your account, and then once you log in, follow these steps. First, you need to create a new workspace. So here, click on your profile picture and you can select create workspace. So name it something like real estate HQ depending on you guys. So here, as you can see here, you'll be able to create your own space here where this represents teams, departments, or group. So here you can also add a description here. So with its own list, workflows, and then the settings. So you can also make it private guys depending on you. So only you and invited members can have access here. So by customizing your space here, the ClickUp allows you to create different spaces for various aspects of your business. So you can create spaces, for example, to that buyer clients, seller clients, listing and transaction, marketing and content planning, team management. So here, define your workflow, guys. So you can choose a pre-configured solution or customize to your liking with advanced ClickUps, required views, and task statuses. So here, you just need to tap depending on your niche. And here, you can choose here different kinds of defaults here. So when navigating to spaces, guys, folders, lists, and ClickUp, you can set which views are automatically created and required. So without having to create them manually, these views cannot be deleted. So here, by setting up folder and list, guys, inside each space, create folders and list for specific projects. So for example, to that one is in buyer clients, guys, you can create lists for new leads, active buyers, and then the closed deals. So right after that one, you just need to tap on this blue button. And right now, guys, when it comes to listing and transaction, you just need to create lists for active listing, pending contacts, and then sold properties. So here now, guys, is your own space. So you can also create a space, guys, using the theme of the ClickUp. So in marketing and content planning, guys, you can create lists for social media posts, email campaigns, and SEO strategies. So here, I'm gonna create a list here. So once you set up your spaces and lists, guys, you can save them as a template so you don't have to start from scratch every time. So this website allows you to create task templates, which is great for managing repetitive processes like onboarding new clients or listing new properties. However, in managing leads and client, guys, now that we have our structure in place, let's talk about managing leads and clients. So in ClickUp, guys, we'll use tasks to track clients. So here, guys, you need to create a task for each lead. You can click the new task button and then enter the client's name. And then use custom fields. So here in this website, ClickUp allows you to add custom fields like contact information, which is the phone, the email, and then the budget range, the preferred locations, and then the lead source, the lead status, which is cold, warm, hot, like that. And when setting a status, guys, customize statuses like new lead, contacted, in negotiation, and then the closed deal. And when it comes to using automations, you just need to set automations to move tasks when certain conditions are met. So, like changing a lead status to follow up needed after 7 days of no contact. Just like that. And then in linking the tasks, you can connect related tasks such as lead follow-ups, property visits, and contact discussion. So all relevant information is in one place. So instead of manually tracking when to follow up with a lead, set automated reminders in ClickUp, guys. So this ensures that no potential client slips through the cracks and help you maintain consistent communication. So you can see here, guys, in the tracking listing and then the transaction, tracking your property listings and transaction is very important. And here's how to do it effectively in the ClickUp. So you can create a property database. You can use the table view to organize your listing with fields for property name and address, listing price, property type, the status, and then the assigned agent, the closing date, the commission percentage. You can also see here the calendar view, so schedule open houses, contract deadlines, and the follow-ups. So here, as you can see here. And then you can also integrate this in the Google Drive. You just need to upload property photos, contacts, and agreements directly into ClickUp tasks. So here you can also use checklists for transactions. You can create checklists for each stage of the buying-selling process to ensure all necessary steps are completed, such as inspections, appraisals, and then the final work. So as you can see here, you just need to tap on this one if you want to add something. And depending on you guys, what you'll be putting here. So here, you'll be able to see here the resources, the workload. So this is a workload by status. And then here, you'll be able to see here different kinds. So you can tap on the inbox, documents, dashboard, clips, timesheets, and then more. So you can also contact here your team member. And that's it, guys. With ClickUp, you can efficiently manage your real estate business, stay organized, and focus on closing more deals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate and productivity tips. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!